What's up, everybody? Today we're doing something new and different. Instead of action figures, I'm going to open this box of Pokemon cards that I found at Target. I found it hidden behind a whole bunch of stuff. And I go to a lot of Targets, and I went to a few with my son, and he's like, I'm always looking for Pokemon cards, and I never find them. They're never in stock. So I got lucky, I think. I think they put a cap on how many you can buy, and I think somebody hit them so he could come back later in the day or maybe the next day, grab it and buy it. I don't know. I know I saw some little sign that said something like there's a maximum amount of these that you can buy, and I'm not really sure what it said, but there were none on the shelf. So here we got the Pokemon trading card game pack. In the front, it says we get a promo card, we get an oversized card. Oh, we get 3 promo cards, an oversized card, a sticker, and 4 boosters. And I think that's booster packs, and I think that's 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe. And yeah, just another 1 foil promo card featuring Hops Zacian X, 2 foil cards featuring Hops Wooloo and Hops Dubwool, 1 oversized foil card featuring Hops Zacian X. I have no idea what any of this is. 1 photo sticker, 4 Pokemon TCG booster packs, and a code card for Pokemon TCG Live, which I will never use. But let's bust this thing open and see what happens. Still in its plastic prison. What do we got here? Oh, wow. Okay. Smash Kick. So, my kid saw these and didn't seem like he was too impressed by it, but that's all right. That's some bullshit right there. Hops Dubwool and Hops Zacian X. Insta Strike. This attack also does 30 damage to one of your opponents. Sorry, I'm blind, guys. I'm trying to read this shit. And it's all glossy. Benched Pokemon don't apply weakness and resistance for benched Pokemon. Brave Slash during your next turn. Alright, so this is almost like some role-playing stuff. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know Pokemon. I remember when Pokemon Go was going on and people were going nuts, and I don't know, man. I don't get the craze, but there's a big card there. Alright, what do we got here? We got some kooky little photo. It's like a Polaroid photo. What was that supposed to be again? 1 photo sticker. So I guess that's what that is. Alright. Let's open up these 4 Pokemon TCG booster packs. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Alright. Now, my son said there's like 10 cards in each. See what we got here, huh? Flap. Leech Life, Paras. bullshit. Basic energy. Tyranitar. Ability. As long as this Pokemon is in the active spot, your opponent can't play any team item cards from their hand. Okay. Cracking Ling. Stop. Discard the top 2 cards of your opponent's deck. Kecleon. Stealth attack. Flip a coin. If heads during your opponent's next turn, prevent all damage from an effects of attacks done to this Pokemon. Interesting. Grimmsnarl. Volcarona. Smoldering Scales. Brock Scouting. Search your deck for up to 2 basic Pokemon or 1 evolution Pokemon. Reveal them and put them into your hand. Then shuffle your deck. Escavalier. Pierce Iron Buster. During your next turn, this Pokemon can't attack. Shell Smack. Shelmet. Flip a coin if heads during your opponent's next turn. Prevent all damage and done this Pokemon attacks. Alright. This is kind of boring to me. Swinub. So we're not going to even go through the attacks. You can read them here, but I'm just going to put them up, say their name, and take a quick look at the image on there. Some of them look kind of cool. I just wonder if my son's going to be able to tell me if these things are going to make me some money. That's what I want. Money, money, money. So that's 1 pack, and I'm going to try to open these up a little bit faster. I'm just getting this stuff organized. So there's 1 pack. There's my sticker, and then we got these. And this is bullshit too. Get rid of that. Alright. I don't think these things matter, but alright. Pack number 2. Petalil. Pillow Swine. Coufont. Sprigatito. Ruffian. Discard a Pokemon 2 on special energy. Okay. Cincino. Cinchino. Maractus. Durant. Oh, what have we here? Electric Streamer. Lonel's Bellabolt. I don't know if that's special or not, but we'll put that aside for now. Mioscarada. Basic energy. Looks like water, where the last one was like a leaf. That's that crap. And there we're back at the beginning. So I'm going to put this up like that. Second deck. do the third deck. Then we'll do number 4, and I'll get you guys out of here. This is almost boring me to death. I don't even know why I did it. They're hard to find according to people, so I was like, haha, I found one. And it was totally it was a fluke because I found it hidden. Otherwise, I wouldn't have noticed these things. Togetic, Sizzlipede. Interesting names. Bronzor. Shield attack. Applin. Nutrients, okay. Deduction kit. Ceruledge. Huh. Looks kind of cool. NDD. Terrapagos. I don't know if I've seen any doubles. Oh, what do we got here? Spiel. Huh. And Eternatus. Basic energy. Not sure what that's supposed to be. Ice. And that thing again. We'll put that down. Finally, last TSG trading pack. Bunnelby. Oh, he's like a little bunny. Smoliv. Absorb. Stunfisk. Custom Trap. Faint Attack. This attack does 50 damage. Same old shit, huh? Oh, we got 2 Stunfisks in one pack? Really? Interesting. Salandit. He looks kind of gross. Darkrai. Basic energy with a fist. That's it, I guess. So I don't know. Maybe we got something spectacular. Looks like a bunch of shit to me, though. Guys, appreciate you guys watching. This was gonna be fun. I'm not going to end the video here. I'm going to talk to my kid, and we're going to talk about it and kind of sort things out here. See if I got any big whoppers. Probably not. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment if you feel inspired. I'll hit you back. Always cool to interact with the fans, with the subscribers. I appreciate it all. Take care, everybody. Later. I'll edit this, but so here's the ones that were sitting in the front. 1, 2, 3. So I don't know if those are worth a damn thing. Probably not. Hopzacian X, Dubwool, and Wooloo. Then of course we got the little photo thing, which probably is a photo sticker. Probably not worth much. And then here's like the giant sized card, which is another Hopzacian X.
EX, but yeah.
Or EX, sorry.
Opposition EX, the base one is about $1.30.
Okay.
That one.
So this one's $1.30.
And let's see. If it's just like a normal card, like this could be worth something. That's probably worth a lot. But like these, that's just bulk, which isn't really worth anything.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So this probably isn't worth anything.
Yeah,
The Dub Wool and the Wooloo.
It's cards that are full art, like this one, where you can see like everything. Where these are like have green there. These can be worth a bit, and that's probably worth a lot actually.
Oh, okay. So should I try to find some other ones like this one that are like have the full art instead of like the little picture box inside? So we'll go with that. And then you said the Zacian EX is worth $1.30.
Yeah.
All right, and the others aren't worth shit probably. So like stuff like this isn't worth a damn thing.
No.
What about this basic energy? That's just
that's not really worth anything either.
Damn it.
So here's this one.
Oh, I just made my money back.
Yep.
Okay, so this one is worth $31.29 according to what's the website again?
TCG Player.
TCG Player. And that is the Ionos Bellabolt EX 188 159 SV09 Journey Together. Okay. So about $30.
Yeah.
So I could maybe go on eBay and say, hey, here's this for $30. All right. So we'll put that over there. We'll kind of keep paging through these, see if we find a full art one. Each Life. Even this guy, not much?
No.
Okay.
It's
Farts.
right now. It's all about full art cards and golden cards.
Golden cards and full art cards. Okay. So that one's poo-poo.
Let me see.
Even this, that's not worth a damn.
No.
And then those little power cards aren't worth a damn either.
No.
This isn't anything big?
No.
God dang it. All right. So what? They're probably worth like pennies? Probably?
Yeah.
Prism Charge.
Actually, if it's like the shiny ones can be worth like maybe like 10 cents. That's like the most that they're worth. And the ones that don't have any shine to them aren't worth anything.
Oh. Oh. God damn it. Draining Kiss. Deduction Kit. So this one might be worth 10 cents?
Yeah.
Poppy? Nada?
No. On the full arts field.
And then I got two of these in the same pack, these Stun Fisks.
Yeah, so you can see the difference. This one has kind of a shine there.
Yeah.
This one is flat.
So the shiny one's worth 10 cents and this one's worth jack's shit.
Yeah. And then this one, the full art Spiel, ungraded, is about $8.
Oh, all right. So this one here, guys, is worth about $8, the full art. So that's about $40 there. So I just made, well, we'll see what happens, but maybe I'll sell them all together. Gust. So this one's worth like 10 cents?
Yeah. The basic cards are more about just like looking at the cool art most of the time.
And then these guys aren't worth a
No,
damn thing,
no.
right? These are just some little like...
You can show them on camera because some people, because it's a game, it's a mobile game. If you show the side, if you show that, they can scan it and then get the cards in the pack.
Oh, okay. Oh, like online.
Yeah.
I gotcha.
Jumbo.
So these things. but I won't do that. I might just include those in the little
And jumbo Zacian is about $2-3. That big one over there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
$2 or $3?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, good to know. Boy, this has been a learning experience. Thank you to my son. All right.